The Berne Heritage Duck Insulated Coverall is designed to offer unparalleled protection, comfort, and durability. Perfectly suited for individuals who engage in strenuous outdoor activities and demanding work environments. Crafted from a heavy-duty 10-ounce 100% cotton duck shell, this coverall ensures robust exterior protection. The medium-weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta lining provides essential warmth, making it ideal for cooler conditions. Designed for enhanced mobility, the coverall features a pleated bi-swing action back and pleated elbows, which allow for unrestricted movement, and a 4-needle stitch waistband with elastic inserts for a secure, comfortable fit. Plus, a water-repellent finish keeps you dry in wet conditions. Practicality is paramount with a corduroy collar with snaps, 2-way brass front zipper, and full-length brass leg zippers, complemented by adjustable leg snaps for easy dressing, even with boots. The coverall's durability is further reinforced with triple needle-stitched main seams and reinforced knees, ready to withstand the rigors of the day. Storage is thoughtfully addressed with 2 zippered chest pockets, 3 inside pockets, 1 with a zip closure, 2 reinforced back pockets, 1 with a brass zipper, side utility pockets, and a hammer loop, ensuring that all essentials are easily accessible. The Berne Heritage Duck Insulated Coverall combines functionality with enduring quality, making it a dependable choice for tough jobs.